How to change language in the Indodax app. First of all, open the Indodax app on your device. Once you are on the main dashboard, look at the top right corner of the screen and tap on the profile icon. In the account settings menu, you will see app settings. Tap on it. Here you will find language option. Tap on it to open the list of available languages. From the list, select your preferred language. The app will automatically adjust and display all menus, buttons, and features in the language you selected. This makes it easier for you to navigate the app and understand trading tools in your preferred language. If you ever want to switch back to another language, simply repeat the same steps and choose a different one. Changing the language in the Indodax app is simple and helps make your trading experience more personalized and comfortable. Now you know how to change language in the Indodax app easily. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more crypto tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.